That's not a hat on my head. That is a chiropractic massager. I have a 2-year-old in the car with me. I'm sitting in my driveway. This is my hat. This is my baseball cap, and it was on my head. Doesn't it look like a top hat? Isn't the name of my painting group Whimsical Wonderland? Don't I look like I have the Mad Hatter's hat on, kind of? Do y'all know what these are? They're so heavy. Dang, they're heavy. No, it's not April Fool's. Can y'all believe it? My neck's been killing me. My neck has been killing me. I was like, Harlow, or Boo Boo, I'm gonna massage my neck real quick. So I laid over on the bed and turned my big massager on and massaged my neck. And it ate my ponytail, y'all. This massager ate my ponytail. Like that, my hat is stuck between the massager. This thing weighs like 10 pounds, maybe more. Between the massager and my ponytail, and it ate my hair. I know. And I was supposed to go pick up the girls, and I can't do anything with one. I can't put the baby in the car seat with one hand, y'all. That's impossible. So it's only a block, so it's like, okay, it's totally illegal, but I can't not show up for my kids. I know. No, I decided to come on live because I'm waiting for my husband. I'm like just sitting here. I'm like, no one would believe me. I could not make this up, y'all. I couldn't make it up. You know what? I'm just going to go live with it. And the fact that I have a 2-year-old attached to me right now is just too funny. And my daughter, she called, thank goodness she has book club. She has book club. She has till 4:30. So I had to call my husband. And he's coming home to see if he can get this out. This took a lot of guts to do because this is an absolutely insane scenario. And I'm completely in the raw. I have dirty hair and no makeup. You can laugh. You can laugh. He may have to cut it. That's fine. I should have just cut it. I guess my ponytail was not more important than Harlow's life, but I was like, surely I can just drive 1 block, but I didn't even have to. God. Boo-boo, you okay back there? Okay, I'd gone to Hobby Lobby earlier and I had a bag in here. I was making little gifts for all the girls in my paint group and sending them little gifts. She's pulled it all out in the back. All the stuff is just all over the back. She's just been having a field day. Oh, I don't want it to pull. It feels like, I honestly, y'all, before I got in the car, I tried. Of course I tried. Can you imagine? I was like, oh, okay. Well, when it first sucked it all up, it was pulling my head so hard. So anyway, it sucked it up, but the thing was still on high. It was going, and I was like, in my bedroom. And so I just turned around and just yanked the cord out of the wall as fast as I could. And that's what got it to go off. And then I was like, I don't know what to do. And I've been pulling and pulling it. He said, what did Jesus say? Ashley, I was worried about my hair. Forget about it. Forget about it. I'm just going to cut my stupid little lame ponytail off. Look, Matt's home. Look, there's my hero. There's my hero. We got to see his face. Oh my gosh. He's like, babe, you are crazy. No, my neck's not hurting too bad because I've got it leaned up against the headrest, but it freaks me out if it pulls one way or the other because it's so heavy. This is cute. Oh my gosh, y'all are cracking me up. Okay, let's see Matt's face. Hold on. Boo Boo. Boo Boo, who's here? Is that Pappy? Pappy. Say hi, Pappy. Hi, Pappy. Isn't she precious? She totally makes me, don't want to knock that on her head. Oh, shoot. Hey, Matt, they want to see you. Come, I'm live. Did y'all see that? Could you see that?
Hi, y'all. I'm here to rescue my wife from the massager. It's a standard day.
He says just a standard day. Thank goodness. Just someone to come get the baby is such a relief. Whew, I don't have to worry about the baby anymore. Okay. I'm so glad to give everyone a laugh because I've laughed. I don't know how I haven't peed my pants. Honestly, I don't know how I haven't. And I can't believe there's 75 people on here. Can you believe I'm still tugging around this hat? I've still got this hat. Thanks, you like my hat? Thank you. It's the new look. It's 12 pounds, probably. I'm gonna weigh this sucker. I'm gonna weigh it and see how much it weighs when I get it off my head. I love you all. Thanks for joining me for just another day in Tracey's fancy. I'm gonna start calling it Tracey's Fiasco. I had a really sore neck. Now it's gonna be really sore. Yeah, a heating pad would be a lot safer. Love you all. See you later. Bye. I have been asked to do a follow-up by a gazillion people. Yes, hi, I have hair. My neck is still stiff. My neck did not get fixed. We did have to cut my hair. No big deal, no big deal. Matt came in and we worked on it for a long time to try to get it. There was no way to get it out. I mean, it was just crunched in there. It's still in there. It's still in the thing. So we had to cut it. Only about 2 inches, and it was not my whole ponytail, which honestly, y'all, my ponytail is pretty little. It was just a chunk of it. So I don't know, like about that much hair length, and then it was just a chunk. So when we took my hair out of the ponytail, you could see this big chunk missing out of it. So what I did, y'all, I didn't have time yesterday. I just pulled my hair all up to the top and cut it. I just cut it to where the chop mark was because it was very evident. Like if I were a fancy girl, I'm not a fancy girl. If I were a fancy girl with a fancy hairdo, that would have been obvious, but I'm not. I wear my homie-tail. I wear my homie-tail. I wear my hair in a ponytail every day. Every day. I really, when it first happened, it scared the crap out of me because it felt like it was taking a big wad and like chunking the whole, and I thought my whole ponytail was in there. I recovered. I tried not to freak out because Harlow's looking at me and I don't want her to start crying, you know, wondering what's wrong with Gigi. And I was like, it's time, we have to go. I wasn't even thinking. So I get out to the car and I can't even buckle her in, y'all. She's looking at me all the way out to the car, looking at me walking. Like, why do you have that? Why are you making me walk barefoot out here on this pebble driveway? And why do you have that ugly hat on your head? I get in the car and I can't get her buckled in. I have one hand. I can't let go. It's too heavy to let hang. I had to hold it up there. It was like a bowling ball. Okay, 8-pound bowling ball. That's how much it weighed. I can't buckle her in her car seat. So that's when I realized I'm in trouble and that I need help. So I said, no, I'm gonna call Matt, but I'm just stuck here. So I'm just gonna sit in the car. And y'all know what? Honestly, it was the best place to be for 2 reasons. One, I laid back in that car seat, in the seat of the car and the headrest up there, let that thing rest on it. And that was super helpful. And so Matt and I watched it again last night. I've still been laughing about it today. But I was like, that was so, I didn't think, oh, I'm gonna go sit in the car or I'm gonna do a live video. But it was super helpful. And then the other thing that was helpful was that it kept Harlow in one little spot. Like I wasn't, chasing her around the house with a thing on my head. We were like in a playpen. We were in the car and she could just walk around in the car and I had a movie going. She was just hanging out. Like this is just another crazy day in the world of Gigi. This sort of crap happens all the time. Why? Why does this stuff happen? I don't know. I don't know why. And it was funny, y'all. It really was funny. It was freaking hilarious. And this kind of stuff happens to all of us all the time. Maybe not a massager stuck on your head, but these kind of things do happen, right? This is the thing. Yes, I'm gonna promote this stupid thing because I love it. Yes, it ate my hair. So I love this thing. Like this thing is a member of my family. I'm not kidding. My husband said, honey, what is the takeaway from today? What was your takeaway? What did you learn? I was like, well, if you would massage that thing on my neck more often, I wouldn't have to. He goes, no, that's not the right answer. Yeah, that's my hair. So it got in this little, it vibrates like that. So it just got up inside there and got all wound around it and sucked up. I don't know. There was just no way to get it out. Does my husband still love me? Someone asked me. Yes, my husband still loves me. He would be really bored without me, don't y'all think?